In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Notion data into charts. If you have information sitting inside a Notion database and you want to make it easier to understand. At a glance, creating a chart view is a great option. It helps you spot patterns, compare values, and present your data in a much more visual way. To get started, open the Notion database that contains the data you want to visualize. Make sure you're in the correct database before moving on, since the chart will pull directly from the information stored there. At the top of the database, click New View. This is where you create a different way of looking at the same data without changing the original content. Views are useful because they let you organize and display information in formats that fit your goal. Next, enter a name for the chart view. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your database has multiple views. After naming the view, select Chart from the available view types. This tells Notion that you want to display your database visually instead of as a table, board, or list. Then click Create or Edit Chart to open the chart setup. From there, choose the chart type that best matches your data. You might select a bar chart for comparisons, a line chart for trends over time, a pie chart for proportions, or a horizontal bar chart if your labels are longer and need more space. Once the chart type is selected, confirm the database you want to use as the data source. This step is important if you're working in a workspace with multiple related databases. Now, configure the x-axis by choosing the property you want displayed along the horizontal axis. This is often a category, date, or label. Then configure the y-axis by selecting the property or calculation you want shown vertically. This could be a number field, a count, a sum, or another value depending on what you want to measure. If needed, apply filters or groups to narrow down the data or organize it more clearly. This can help remove unnecessary records and make the chart easier to read. After that, customize the chart by adjusting labels, sorting, and other display settings. Small changes here can make the chart much clearer and more polished. Take a moment to review the results and verify that the chart accurately reflects your database data. If something looks off, double-check the selected properties and settings. Finally, update your database records and watch the chart refresh automatically. That live connection is one of the biggest advantages of using chart views in Notion. Thanks for watching.